In this video, we will walk through how to connect and charge SmarTarget and Datum in the office. Start by plugging the power cord into the wall, then into the transformer. Next, plug the power into the back of the USB hub. Now plug in the USB cables in the hub. Now plug the USB-B connection into the hub. Now set the USB hub back into the slot in the case and begin plugging in the SmarTargets. Note the SmarTargets propped up in the case for ease of access, and note the orientation of the cable connection is long side towards the button. As the plug goes in, the SmarTarget will immediately go into charge mode. For data communication, the SmarTargets will need to be powered on. This changes the state from charge to communication. Finally, plug the USB cable into a USB port on your computer. Now you are ready to charge, connect, and download your data.